What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Everything Empo. I'm there, man. Yeah, we're back into the kitchen. Coming to feel like carrot go round, which probably do the new setup and thing. But if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Today is a home care video. Again, this is because I need to re-up on my laundry detergent stuff, so I'm going to share with you guys the product that I normally buy. I'm going to normally get this. Sometimes it works out 3 times a month, or sometimes 4, sometimes 3 times a year or 4 times a year. So every 4 months or every 3 months. I hope I'm seeing it where you can understand. And I'm going to start off with how I actually do it. I always have Lysol, I can say detergent, disinfectant spray. So I'm going to spray down the washing machine, like wipe it down the inside, the rim and all of that. And then I have the Samsung, so you know, say it even do like self-cleaning stuff, but I always clean it down. If I'm gonna use the spray, then we use disinfectant itself, only but goodie, but always have this. Some of them, if I'm gonna rest them here, so because I make space. Then now for my whites, depending on if I'm soaking it, you know, shower factory boy pick me. This is what I use. I also have it into the white. This is the Zotio pronouncing correct. So I normally, here's the grater. I'm gonna grate it down in it own like stuff, the part here I use, and grate down the soap, and then I soak my white in one little basin. I'm gonna have all of the basin from the hospital each time I give birth. I'm gonna collect, yeah, because you understand, I want everything will come with giving birth. So I have them little basin, they throw little white them night and soak them up and thing. So I do that now to make the soap. No, just have people go along and tell me. Then this is the, you can see it, and this is in the 150 fluid ounce or 4 quart. Get this from BJ, and this is in the brand new day scent. I also like it into the, what the blue one named the crystal, but most of all I love the black one, which is the sports one for order, whatever orders represent beauty. Love have to have this. So this is a sanitizer. I'm put this in there as well. I love the new scent. This is very new. Love the scent of this, and it helps with neutralizing the scent. And then we go in between. These are the brand we use. The Suavitel for my softener. I also have the blue one and the yellow one, but I mostly even buy the purple one here. That's in here. A soothing lavender scent. Again, I know me the lavender, but less I like the yellow, I like it the blue. Just show the blue. And then now, this is a have to. Again, if you look on it, everything I take, it have to do with odor. Boy pick name, I don't know, them easy to deal with, but for clean up behind them is hell. So everything have to do with odor. So we have the odor blasters, and this is the bottom. You look at $2 coupon. This is in the Fresh Bird. And then I also have the Snuggle. So them the little booster bar, I use them. I'm also sometimes take up the, what the next one name? I always just set them up, but this is a must. I have to have the order booster. Alright. And I'm gonna pop up the picture because I'm in the sense to put the bucket. I always use the paint bucket from Home Depot, that big red bucket here. And these fill it up. Let's go into it. So I use the Gain, as you can see. The boost, so we use the original Gain. All right, I also use the Ariel, and this is the Downy. Then we have Fab soap. I don't know what to call them. What do you call it? But soap powder. All right, this is the Ariel in a Downy. Also mix it with the Ariel here. All right. And then we have the Foca, the laundry detergent, the Foca, and I use 2 of the Foca. Here's the other one. Use 2 get them wrong here. So must have. Then I also use borax laundry booster. Use that. I also use the next laundry booster, the Armor #1, the next laundry booster. And then Affy. This is really good again to get rid of odor and keep your color. Because usually this is baking soda. I use exactly the whole box of the pure baking soda. Especially, you know, say you have your jeans, whether it's your black, your grey, it even helps with the color in it and keep things just smelling good. So all of this, all of the powder forms, the last thing, all of these, I'm gonna throw these out into the Home Depot bucket. And this, so I'm gonna make this now because today was December 8th, so I'm gonna make this now. But now I'll go back again, gonna make the next one until March, first week of March. It lasts me that long. I'm gonna use showing when I'm gonna go for the scoop. Use scoop. Am I missing anything? So see even next one here. So this is the smaller one for the everything has to be for the big one. And yes, I empty them out into the bucket. So this, because this into the gain, is into the gain box. So this is what I'm using. So the bucket, yes, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I carry it up sometime to 2 or to 3 because I'm gonna need much. Come on, balance it out. I have some of these. The last essay is me pick up one heap of them here. I didn't do a video for it, so like me put this into the part to say liquid detergent, so probably a little bit of this. And one of that, I'm gonna tell you so, it even helps with how your clothes smell, with if you look at the perfume and stuff. So even my clothes, yeah, me layer it up with perfume and stuff. So this is exactly how I get, let me say, every 4 months or every 3 months. I'm go and re-up. So I only buy these again 3 to 4 times a year, and my family is very, but as a girl at factory. And but I guess what I said, no, I can't 2 and I can't 3 and I can't 4 factory of them. So it do last, and that completes it for today video. If anything, we'll probably write it in the description, like make a list. If I'm gonna do it today, when I upload the video, then by the time I'm done, we'll come back and put it back into this. But washing this way saves you big time, and a little goes far away because they use so much something into it. For like me say, and a sud wash clothes. Listen to me, and a sud wash clothes. It depends on how much load you put in and the technique where you use for wash. Alright, so that completes it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. And as always, thank you for your continuous support. Or if you wonder, these, remember which what year for Bath and Body Works, they have magnets so it can stick. And then yeah, watch out, see magnet there, it lights up. Probably you will see that it light up, and you see, so that's how they look at Christmas. Anyway, see you guys. I'm gonna upload this now so I can see